Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am currently 36 weeks and 2 days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 3 days pregnant with baby number 3, and I'm finally getting around to packing my hospital bag. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I've been contracting since I was 31 weeks, so it seems like baby wants to come early. I just haven't gotten around to packing because we are also in the middle of a move. So a lot of my things are in boxes, and I found some of my packing cubes and like little small bags, but I don't actually have a big bag to put all of this, so that one is still pending. But for the most part, I have everything. There are 2 things that I want to pack, which I'll explain more in a little bit, but for the most part, I'm ready to go in case I deliver, in case I need to go to the hospital like now. Okay, so starting off with, I'm gonna start off with my little toiletry bag here. So I got a toothbrush and toothpaste. I have the body wash, and I also got a loofah, and then lotion because it's going to be very dry in the hospital, so this one is a must. And then this one is just a little facial cleanser. Now, a lot of these things my hospital does provide, but on some of them I would like to bring my own, so that's why I have it. Okay, in my next bag I have my makeup bag, and I say makeup, but it's like this is what I'm wearing right now. It's like my everyday makeup. It's not like a full glam or anything. It's just like the basics for me. Here, let me see if I can do this in order. Okay, so starting off, I have the vitamin C that I've been using recently, which is from Remedy. I have my OG moisturizer from Neutrogena, and then my all-time favorite sunscreen, the tinted version with Ulta MD, the UV Clear. And then, let's see. Okay, so I have my eyebrow pencil. I have, okay, I also have an eyeliner. I have my mascara and eyelash curler. And then my concealer, which is from Dermatology. And in case I want to add a little bit of blush, I do have this from Color Science. And then if my lips get dry, which most likely they will, I have a lip balm. And this one is also from Dermatology. Okay, so next up, I'm going to be bringing this like folder envelope thing for all the important documents that I'm going to be getting from the hospital. I don't want it to get smushed anywhere, so they're going to go in here. And then for my going home outfit, I decided to just wear a dress. And I recently picked this up from Old Navy. If you can see here, you have a little like peplum top, and it goes pretty far down. I just like it to be flowy because everything is going to be like loose down there. So just wearing a dress I thought would be just easy to manage. And then also when I deliver, it should be warm. There is like a couple days that like here and there where it's predicted to rain, so we'll see. But for the most part, I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna bring this. And I decided that I'm gonna bring the disposable underwear. If you saw one of my reels from either Instagram or here YouTube Shorts, you know that I was like undecided of which one I was gonna do, whether the disposable underwear or the underwear with like all the pads and stuff. But I figure like in the beginning you're gonna be bleeding a lot down there and it's gonna be messy, so if this one gets dirty then I can just toss it because it's disposable, so it's fine. Also, I'm going to be using the hospital one, so this one is just my going home one, so that's why I only got one. And I got 2 of these for the nursing pads. And again, it's just to go home. If I'm leaking in the hospital, it's fine. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention are my shower shoes, because hospitals are dirty, so never walk barefoot. So these are specifically for in the shower, so yeah. Okay, so moving on to baby's outfits. I have 3. 3 plus I want to bring another one because, like I said, for the most part, it is going to be warm. However, if it is going to be cold on those like rare days that it might rain, then I might need like a footed onesie instead of like these. But this is option number 1. It has Mickey Mouse and it has Pluto, and then that's the back. So it'll be like this. And then it has little shorts as well. And then this one is 0 to 3 months. This one is also 0 to 3 months, but it's a long sleeve version, so yeah. And then this one is a newborn size, but I don't know. It seems kind of big for a newborn size. Like, look at that. But I love the little cup ears, and I don't know, just maybe this one will just be to take a photo because it seems kind of big. And like I said, I'm 36 weeks. If baby decides to come early, then he's going to be small. So the footed onesies that I want to add is going to be newborn size because both of these are 0 to 3 month. And even though this one is newborn, kind of big. So I need one more newborn size. And that should be good. And then another thing, which I don't have right now, it's scheduled to come hopefully tomorrow, is a labor and delivery gown. It's by Lila, I believe. I'll insert a photo here. Do you need one? No, you do not. Especially now being a nurse and L&D. I know how messy it can be, both for mom's fluids and baby fluids. Like, it can get pretty messy. So, like, the gown can get dirty. So, but like to labor in, I just wanted to feel a little bit more special, and that's why I got it. I'm pretty sure this is my last pregnancy, so I wanted to do just a little bit something extra, which is fine. But like I said, that one is scheduled to come hopefully tomorrow. And I think that is it. Forgot to show all the clothes. It's gonna go in this little packing cube, and whenever I can find a bag to put all this, that's where it's gonna go, because as of right now, like I said, I don't have one because it's all in a box, which I have no idea which box which box it's in right now. But yeah, that's everything I'm gonna be taking to the house. Well, actually, nope, all the electronic stuff. I'm using my iPad right now, but I'll be bringing my iPad, and then along with all the chargers. But the chargers, all of the electronics, my husband is going to be taking care of that because he's the IT, in charge of the IT stuff. So yeah, so I forgot those two, but like I said, my husband, he'll be taking care of those. And that's pretty much everything now. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.